talking about food in English with the English Conversation Club. Our topics today will be eating and cooking. Listen to the audio, read the subtitles, and practice speaking about food in English with us. And don't forget to subscribe to see all of the English Conversation Club videos.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I find cooking to be a creative and relaxing activity.
What's your favorite cuisine?
I absolutely love Italian cuisine. The flavors of pasta and pizza are irresistible.
Have you ever tried sushi?
Yes, I've tried sushi and I enjoy the freshness and delicate flavors.
What's your favorite comfort food?
My favorite comfort food is hamburgers. They bring back so many nice childhood memories. Do you have a sweet tooth?
Yes, I do. I can never resist desserts like chocolate cake or ice cream.
What's your favorite type of chocolate?
I love dark chocolate, especially with a hint of sea salt. It's a perfect balance of flavors.
Do you have a favorite fruit?
Yes, I love strawberries. They're juicy, sweet, and perfect for summer.
What's your favorite flavor of ice cream?
My favorite ice cream flavor is cookies and cream. I love the combination of sweet cookies and creamy vanilla.
Have you ever tried exotic fruits?
Yes, I've tried dragon fruit and it has a unique and refreshing taste. What's your favorite type of cheese?
I adore creamy and rich cheeses like brie and camembert.
Do you enjoy spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food. The heat and flavors make the dish exciting.
Have you ever tried Indian cuisine?
Yes, I've tried Indian cuisine and I enjoy the aromatic spices and flavorful curries.
Have you ever tried Middle Eastern cuisine?
Yes, I've tried Middle Eastern cuisine and the flavors of hummus and falafel are amazing.
What's your favorite pizza topping?
I'm a fan of margherita pizza. I like its simple yet flavorful combination of tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil. Do you have a favorite type of sandwich?
I enjoy a classic BLT sandwich with crispy bacon, fresh lettuce, and juicy tomatoes.
What's your favorite type of breakfast food?
I love fluffy pancakes with maple syrup and a side of crispy bacon.
Do you enjoy baking?
Yes, I enjoy baking cookies and cakes. The smell of freshly baked goods is delightful.
What's your favorite French pastry?
I adore croissants, especially when they're fresh and flaky. They are perfect with a cup of coffee.
Do you have a favorite type of bread?
I enjoy freshly baked baguettes. They're crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. What's your favorite type of pasta?
I love a classic spaghetti carbonara with its creamy sauce and crunchy bacon.
What's your favorite soup?
I enjoy a hearty bowl of tomato soup with a grilled cheese sandwich.
Do you have a favorite type of potato dish?
Mashed potatoes are my favorite. They're creamy and comforting.
How do you like your cheeseburgers?
I love a juicy cheeseburger with melted cheddar cheese and plenty of pickles and onions.
What's your favorite type of salad?
I enjoy a refreshing Greek salad with feta cheese, olives, and a tangy dressing.
Do you have a favorite type of noodle dish?
I love a steaming bowl of ramen with its flavorful broth.
What's your favorite seafood dish?
I adore grilled salmon with a squeeze of lemon.
What's your favorite Mexican dish?
I love tacos, especially with marinated grilled chicken and fresh salsa. Where do you usually buy your groceries?
I typically shop at a local supermarket. It offers a wide range of fresh produce, pantry staples, and other essentials.
How do you choose fruits at the grocery store?
For most fruits, I look for vibrant colors, a fragrant smell, and a slight give when gently squeezed.
What is your favorite cooking technique?
Grilling gives food a tasty smoky flavor and beautiful char marks.
Do you enjoy trying new recipes?
Yes, I love experimenting with new recipes and flavors in the kitchen.
What's your go-to ingredient for adding flavor?
Garlic is my favorite for adding delicious flavor to many dishes.
Do you have any tips for meal planning?
Plan your meals ahead and make a shopping list for convenience and efficiency.
What is your favorite kitchen gadget?
I love my blender. It's versatile and makes smoothies, soups, and sauces easily.
Do you have any favorite food blogs or cooking websites?
I follow Simply Recipes and Food 52 for recipe inspiration.
Do you watch any cooking shows?
Yes, I enjoy watching cooking shows like MasterChef for inspiration and entertainment.
What tips do you have for baking the perfect cookies?
Use room temperature butter, measure ingredients accurately, and don't overmix the dough. Do you like trying new restaurants?
Absolutely. I enjoy exploring different cuisines and experiencing new flavors.
What's your usual coffee order?
I usually go for a latte with a hint of caramel. It's a smooth and creamy drink.
What's your favorite type of tea?
I like a good cup of green tea. It's soothing and has many health benefits.
Have you ever tried Ethiopian coffee?
Yes, I've tried Ethiopian coffee. Its rich and fruity flavors are exceptional.
Have you ever tried street food?
Yes, I've tried street food in Thailand. The flavors were incredible.
What's your favorite type of curry?
I enjoy a fragrant Thai green curry with vegetables and tofu.
Do you enjoy eating with chopsticks?
Yes, I find it fun and challenging.
Do you have a favorite type of Japanese snack?
I enjoy munching on rice crackers, known as senbei. They have a crispy texture and savory flavors.
Do you have a favorite type of Chinese appetizer?
I really like steamed shrimp dumplings. They're tasty and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. And good luck with your English studies.
Nope.